Indeed.
Okay. And then, so we don't have any central veins right here, though, right?
No, we're looking more off towards the radical area,
right.
And we're trying to differentiate ducts and arteries and lymphatics.
Okay. Perfect. So, whoa. These big guys are portal veins. Okay, they all have red blood cells in them, so you can tell that they're veins, and they're big and a little bit floppy and weird. Okay. Okay. So you're with me there?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna go with this one here as.
You have to get it just right.
Because it has a little bit of a wall.
Yeah,
right?
I can see that.
Okay, so you get the artery. So now we have to find. So lymphatics, a little tougher. I'm going to go with this thing next to it actually as a lymphatic, because I don't see any blood cells in it. So just to the, maybe even to the left and to the right of that artery, and also I'm going to put my arrow up here, and maybe that's a lymphatic as well, because I don't see any red blood cells in it. And then just to the left and the right of the artery, they look like they have endothelium, right? They look like there's a right, and there's no red blood cells. Yeah. It's a little tough. They're pretty round for lymphatics, but yeah, you know, why not? Okay. So ductules. They're going to have more cuboidal epithelium. I want to see a better one than I'm seeing here. I want to see one that's obvious. You know there's got to be one here, right? Somewhere? Okay. I'm not going to stress. I'm going to move so we can find a good one. Okay. Can I do that? Yeah, totally. Okay. So I can't find the thing. All right, here we go. I'm in the next periportal area over. Oh my gosh. And I'm in the next periportal. Oh, I found a different periportal area. Obvious duct. Okay, arrow's just under it. Pericuboidal epithelium.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
That's really nice. That's really nice.
So it'll be, yeah, really round. The nuclei are all lined up with all that cuboidal epithelium. So that's a bile duct. Okay, very cool. They'll look like that.
And then the radical, we were looking. What is a portoradical?
Okay, so a portal radical is just that area where all those different vessels are. So portal radical equals portal area equals portal triad, because as you can see in all those things, there's a whole bunch more than 3 things in there.
Yeah.
So in addition to your hepatic artery branches and your portal vein branches and your bile ductules are going to be some nervous tissue probably, and lymphatics, yes, lymphatic ducts, and there's something else in there too. Connective tissue, obviously. Yeah. Oh, and that was unmyelinated nerves, but you're not going to notice. Okay. So, unmyelinated nerves. I forgot that. Okay. Anyway. Okay. And when you're looking at the other species that don't have the very obvious connective tissue between the lobules, it's right, and there's hardly even any at the portal triad area too, but there may be some, and that's one of your clues to differentiate between a central vein and those other areas. Is there will be more than just one hole most of the time, and it may hopefully have some connective tissue somewhere around in the radical, not the central vein. Got it. The central vein also often isn't quite round because it's being fed by the sinusoids, right? So it sometimes looks funky.
Central vein does?
The central vein does. Okay. Instead of being round, because all the sinusoids are feeding into it at, you know, whatever level they're coming in. So it may have a funky shape and really not be round. And rather than, so that's another clue.
Are the lobules like skipping up more?